Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now I'm just currently on, getting onto Princess Street. We're at the back of the, what used to be Odeon. I think we can get in through there. So I've noticed that this Odeon now has closed down and it's going to be, I think, an amusement centre. So I was going to go check it out, see what else has been done to it. The writing on the building though has actually come off, well, just about, as you can see there. It's no longer the Odeon. I think we've still got the Bannatyne Health Club and Spa and a few others in the vicinity. It's just the Odeon that has closed down and not being a cinema anymore. Now, before I also continue, as you know, I did a video down at Royal Armouries in Leeds. Got a few stuff from the Geek Market / Minicon, and found out that the little figures that I bought are actually the Nendoroids doll figures. Now, I have looked them up online, and my god, from eBay and Amazon they're about £100 to buy. So thank you to whoever commented about the Nendoroid dolls. I didn't even realise they were that. Also got a message on my YouTube studio about Clifford King. Went to school with me at Corbin. So Clifford, if you're watching this, happy days mate. I never thought that anyone from school had actually stumbled onto me YouTube video 38 years later. So yeah, cheers mate. So we're just at the side of the Bannatyne Health Club and Spa. I'm not going to show you inside because there's people in there. I just want to show you the Odeon. It looks like we're getting a Starbucks drive-through as well. Just there. And we've also got the Club 3000 bingo, which has now definitely opened up. Yeah, still doing some work on the drive-through, so I don't know when that will be available. It's just a shame about this Odeon. Used to work down here when I first came to Blackpool. This was my first cleaning job.
Are we going past the post office?
Possibly, yeah.
Please, I need to pick up a driving licence form.
Right.
Please.
What's that? So that building in front of us there is the Club 3000 bingo, and I know there's a Taco Bell on the side as well.
Looking on TikTok the other day, some female actually gave birth.
What?
Some female actually gave birth.
What, in the Taco Bell?
No, in Club 3000.
Oh, wow.
Actually had a baby.
Wow.
In the reception bit, because the lady who was with her actually helped the baby come out.
Wow.
So yeah.
So here we go, in front of the Odeon. It's all boarded up. I don't actually know what's going to be happening with this.
What is the bit? What is this? Audio. Was it?
Odeon.
What was it?
Cinema.
Was it cinema, was it?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Odeon Cinema.
Oh wow. Sorry, continue.
I have seen on, I think it's Leica's video, Leica 31, that they're going to be building an amusement centre or something like that. As you can see, we can hear the bingo going off behind me. So I don't really know what they're doing with it at the moment. It just sounds like the Club 3000 bingo have gone onto a break. That's going to do it for Odeon anyway. Right, we're going to go back onto Central Drive, because I know there's some buildings also set for demolition. So when I get closer, I'll jump back on and show you the buildings set for demolition. So I'll see you in a minute. And we are now back. Now just look at this. Currently on Chapel Street at the moment. Just outside of the King Edward's pub. But just look at this car park here. Ain't that absolutely fantastic? Now I know the council offices behind is also set for demolition, just there. But there's also another building that's set for demolition. Currently back on Central Drive. So left of me is the King Edward pub. Now I know these buildings here are all closed down, which is a shame. Well, that looks like it's closed down. The Beach Barbers. Now I don't know exactly when this is going to get demolished, but it is set for demolition. I think it's this year. So the chicken fried shake here is set to get demolished. The Air Sports Central and the joke shop, all this is getting set for demolition this year. Well, I think it's this year anyway. So I will keep you all posted on this. I really did like this joke shop, it was absolutely fantastic. But unfortunately, it's got to go. And the right side of it used to be the train station. So this car park here used to be the train station, the central train station. And just another look at the car park at the back of the joke shop. Yeah, I don't know exactly when this joke shop is getting demolished. It's got to be soon anyway. And run right behind or in front what used to be the train station, we've got the Funland. Right side of there we've got the Sea Life Centre. I'll take it off zoom. Sorry about that. Still not off zoom. Anyways. Now, I do believe that this building is part of Blackpool Sights and Sounds. So, JP, if you're watching this, mate, we've got the Blackpool Resort apartments, hotels and holiday homes there, mate. Right, so that's going to do it for this video. So thank you very much guys for viewing, and I shall see you on the next video. I'm going to wrap this up now. I'll take another look at the new car park and the old train station, which is now the central bus station. So there we have it guys. Gonna wrap this video up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.